People who track expenses spend 15% less than those who don't, according to behavioral finance research. Automation removes the friction that causes most people to quit tracking. We build a transaction table with date, description, amount, and category. A switch formula with keyword matching auto-categorizes 80% of transactions based on vendor name patterns you define once. Power Query connects to your bank's CSV export and transforms it into the tracker's format automatically. Set up once. Then each month, just drop the new file and click Refresh. Transactions import and categorize automatically. Pivot tables summarize spending by category and month. Conditional formatting alerts you when any category exceeds its budget threshold. A dashboard shows remaining budget in real time. I build the complete tracker from scratch, import 3 months of bank data via Power Query, and demonstrate the auto-categorization and monthly reporting. The entire setup takes 20 minutes and runs itself after that. Automate your expense tracking and take control of your spending. Download the template and subscribe for more personal finance Excel projects.